Okay, we have this cell phone for my nephew, and he asked me to help him to fix it. According to him, that the screen is not stick to the place anymore. It gets out every time. Okay, so all he needs is to fix the screen to affix it firm in its place. Secondly, he said sometimes when it is pushed, when the screen is pushed in place, he is unable to charge it. All right. First off, I don't know what is this model, what is this cell phone. But what I'm going to do is to try to explore everything in details. But the first thing we have to do is take out all these tapes. Okay, and clean it. So first thing is to clean. There we go, a little bit cleaner. And he said that there is a problem with the charging. So first thing I'm going to want to do is to test charging. Okay, so he's using Type-C plug. This is the future. Here we have Type-C plug. This is the future of plug, guys. All devices from now on are going to use this kind of a plug. So we put it like this. Okay, let's find an adapter. This is the adapter, and we go for the charge. There we go, charging. Good, so there's no problem at all regarding the charging of the plug itself. Okay. Alright, so very nice. So here's the screen. Here's a screen, and there is a secret code. Alright, so the charging functionality is okay, no problem, except for the screen. It needs to be fixed in a place. Mainly it needs glue. Alright, that's fine, but I just have noticed right now that the screen is broken. But it's still working anyways. So I'm going to help him. I'm going to fix the screen for him. Okay, if I had the time, I would buy a screen for him. I love this boy so much. He's my nephew, and he kept asking me to help him for the past 3 weeks. Each time he comes, I do not find the time, unfortunately, to help him. So now it is time to do this. Let's just make the boy happy. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do right now is to try to take out and open this screen a little bit, because it is dangerous, because as you can see it is already broken. Okay, very nice. So as you can see here, it needs glue. Okay, so the first thing we are going to want to do right now is to clean the places here and to put requirements, like for instance insulation and padding. We may put some pads here like rubber or something to help fix it in a place without damaging the screen. Let's go ahead and do that, guys. that's all. So we keep it for 10 minutes like this. There we go. That's all we need. Screen is completely fixed, so much so it will never open anymore. So if there is any change for the screen, it will never get out. Okay, so mission completed. Let's give it back to the boy.